welcome back. Today we're going to look at equivalent expressions. And really, if you have two equivalent expressions, they have the same value, but they just look a little bit different. So an example that we're going to look at is 2x plus 1 squared plus 4 and 4x squared plus 4x plus 5. And we are saying that these two are equivalent, or that they are the same thing. So we're going to take a look at how we can show that they are equivalent. So there's a couple of ways that we could do this. We can do it algebraically, or we can do it by substituting in some values. So the first way, algebraically, the first thing you want to do is start with the more complicated expression and then try and make it more simple. So for example, 2x plus 1 squared plus 4, if you use PEMDAS, you can simplify the 2x plus 1 squared by multiplying using a generic rectangle. So you multiply 2x times 2x, get 4x squared, 2x times 1, and so on. Now notice there's no multiplication or division, so I'm just going to add or subtract my like terms. Here I have a plus 1 and a plus 4 that I'm going to combine, so I get 4x plus 5. So I'm saying those two are equivalent. The other way that you can do it is by checking some values and see if you get the same thing for both expressions. Now, you don't have to choose more than one, but it's a good idea to choose at least a negative, a positive, and 0. So let's go ahead and test -1. So substitute into x. 2 times -1 gives you -2 plus 1. Do your parentheses first, and then their square, and then you add, and you get 5. Now we're going to do the same thing for the other expression that we found and see if we get the same value. So you substitute in, you use your PEMDAS, parentheses and exponents first, then you're adding and subtracting from left to right. So 4 minus 4 will give you 0, plus 5, you get 5, you get the same thing. Therefore, those two expressions are the same. They are equivalent. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.